Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special video dedicated to our beloved seniors who want to stay healthy and enjoy delicious meals. We'll be sharing some nutritious and mouth-watering recipes that are perfect for older adults. So, let's dive right in. The foundation of healthy eating starts with incorporating a rainbow of fruits and vegetables into your diet. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote overall well-being. When preparing your meals, aim to include a mix of leafy greens like spinach and kale, vibrant bell peppers, sweet potatoes, and seasonal fruits. These will not only make your plate look appetizing but also boost your nutrient intake. One of the simplest and healthiest recipes for older adults is a colorful mixed salad. It's refreshing, easy to make, and provides a great range of nutrients. We'll start with some crisp lettuce as our base. Then, we'll add in some baby spinach for an extra dose of iron and calcium. Next, we'll toss in some red and yellow bell peppers, cherry tomatoes bursting with flavor, and cucumbers for a refreshing crunch. To give our salad a creamy texture and healthy fats, we'll add some sliced avocado. And for an added crunch and boost of protein, a handful of mixed nuts and seeds. Finally, let's finish it off with a light vinaigrette made of olive oil, balsamic vinegar, a touch of honey, and a dash of lemon juice. Voila! Our nutritious and delicious mixed salad is ready to enjoy. It's an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, and healthy fats, perfect for maintaining energy and vitality. Now, let's move on to our main course, a hearty and nutritious one-pot meal, quinoa and vegetable pilaf. We'll start by sauté some onions and garlic in a little olive oil for extra flavor. Next, we'll add a medley of diced vegetables like carrots, zucchini, and broccoli. These are rich in nutrients and add a lovely texture to our pilaf. Now, we'll add in our quinoa and vegetable broth. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. Cover the pot and let the mixture simmer until the quinoa is fluffy and cooked through. And there you have it, our quinoa and vegetable pilaf. It's not only colorful and appetizing but also packed with nutrients to keep you feeling energized and satisfied. Remember, healthy eating doesn't mean sacrificing taste. With these nutritious and delicious recipes, you can enjoy your meals while nourishing your body. I hope you enjoyed these healthy eating tips and recipes for older adults. Thank you all so much for joining me today and exploring these nutritious and delicious recipes for older adults. I hope you're feeling inspired to try them out and make healthy eating a part of your daily routine. Remember, starting your day with a colorful mixed salad can give you a nutritional boost and keep you feeling refreshed. And for a satisfying and wholesome main course, our quinoa and vegetable pilaf is a perfect choice. You'll enjoy the burst of flavors and goodness in every bite. If you have any questions, recipe requests, or healthy eating tips of your own, please share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and connect with our amazing community. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss any of our future videos. We're dedicated to providing valuable content that supports you in living a healthy and fulfilling life. And as we always say here, age is just a number, and it's never too late to embrace a healthy lifestyle. So, let's eat well, stay active, and cherish every moment of this beautiful journey called life. Until next time, take care, stay healthy, and keep smiling. Bye!